Hey guys, welcome back to All Things with Wheels. Today we've got the JLB Cheetah out. We're at a really great location with some huge hills, lots of wide open grassy fields. We're gonna have a blast. So this is the fully charged stock battery. So without further ado, like and subscribe. Let's go. Look at this dirt patch right next to the tree. Let's see if we can do a cool little burnout in it. Oh yeah. Airborne RC right now is making a video about the Traxxas Bandit VXL. If you want to check out that video, click the link right up there. Maybe someday I'll have a video about the Bandit. It's incredible. Got a little squirrely there. The nice thing about this car is it has such a low center of gravity that it's really hard to flip, even when you're going that fast on such bumpy terrain. Those who wonder how fast the Cheetah is in the grass, here you go. Ooh, here's a nice hill here. This might make a really good ramp. Let's get kind of a run up. This will make a really great ramp, this hill. Here we go. Oh, yes! So far the best ramp I've come across. Let's go a little bit faster this time. Oh no! My wing, it broke off! Dang it, guys. Oh well. They're like 10 bucks on eBay. Here it comes again. Ooh, that's so much fun. Oh, this thing jumps. This thing flies in the air just like a bird. It's amazing. To be honest, it kind of looks cool, the new look. I've gotten used to the wing. It's kind of like a new car now without the wing. Let's do one more jump and then we'll move on. Oh, that was a flawless jump.
It's not like a Granite or a Cheetah. Oh.
Okay, let me try and do a wheelie all the way down this whole sidewalk. Here it comes. Ready? That didn't work. Let's try again. Ah, come on. Look at this. There's like a perfect ramp right between these two trees. So let's see if I can get a nice jump on this. Not bad at all. This is a really steep hill. I wonder if I can get any momentum to get up and see if I can get some air. This is really steep. Let's see. Oh, dang it. I just crashed into that snake hole. Let's try that again. Back down. Okay, here we go. Ready? Okay, that wasn't really a jump. That was a rock bounce. Off the table. That was cool. Okay, we got a lot of dirt here, like a kind of a dirt trail. Let's peel it out. Oh, that was awesome. You can hear the Bandit behind me. Let's see how it does. Oh, it's so like snappy, so much torque. It's crazy. Now we're at the really hilly part. This is what I was excited to film. Look at all these big grass clumps. Oh, look how wide open this place is. perfect for RC. Oh, this grass is so short, it can just glide right over it. That's about half throttle. Oh no! The battery's dead. This is full throttle. Well guys, the video is at an end. So today, I broke the wing off the Cheetah, the battery died, and I had a blast with this thing. If you want to see more videos about the Cheetah, make sure to smash the like button and subscribe. Tell me in the comments what you think I should do with this. There are going to be some upgrades coming to the channel for this car very soon. A new wing probably, and many more bashing videos. So if you like this video, drop a like and subscribe. And as always guys, I hope you enjoyed. Farewell.